Hi, good day, Ma'am Mary Grace. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I am Mary Grace Valeria, 32 years old. I am single. I have one kid.
All right. And please tell me your educational background.
My educational background is I was undergraduate in college in business administration.
Okay. So where do you live?
I live in Cardona, Rizal, Philippines.
Okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have six sisters, but I don't have brothers.
Okay. So what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I am single.
Okay. So how would you describe yourself?
Myself as a hardworking, trustworthy, and cheerful woman.
Okay. So why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad because I want to help my family, especially my kid.
Okay. So do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have a working experience abroad. First, in KSA, year 2016, not finished contract because my employer is not giving me enough food. Second, in Jordan, year 2018, 1 year and 3 months. And third, Oman, not finished contract because my employer also didn't give me enough food.
Okay, thank you. Then, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, I'm willing to taking care small children, elderly, or newborn baby.
Okay, so what will you do if you become homesick?
When I was homesick, I will focus on my work and I will make myself busy.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
I'm not scared in pets, but I'm willing to taking care of them.
Okay, so how do you describe your cooking skills?
I describe my cooking skills is not is is good. I know how to cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn also Malaysian cuisine.
Okay, so do you have any food allergy?
No, I don't have any food allergy.
Okay, so do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, I have a full consent to my family to go working abroad.
Okay, so do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, I will promise I will not use my phone during my working hours. I will use it during my rest time.
Okay. So do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, I will be always honest and trustworthy to my employer at all the times.
Okay. So do you drink alcohol?
No, I don't drink alcohol.
How about smoking?
No, I don't also smoking.
Okay. So do you have any body tattoo?
No, I don't have.
Okay. So do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
I don't have any history of surgery in the past.
Okay. So are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, I'm willing to work during my day off.
Okay. For the last question, Ma'am Mary Grace, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Good day, Madam and Sir. I hope you will hire me. I will be trustworthy, hardworking, and I will do my work as best as I can. I hope you will hire me. Thank you.